Hi viewers, today we will solve example 8.2 from Boylestad. This is a simple circuit. Here we have to identify the voltage Vs across the current source and the current flowing through the voltage source I1 and the current I2 flowing through the 4 ohm resistance. From the circuit we see that the current source is in parallel with this voltage source. So the voltage Vs across this current source will be equal to the voltage E, which is 12 volt. Here we get Vs is equal 12 volt. Now this 12 volt is directly applied across this 4 ohm resistance. So by using Ohm's law we can get I2 is equal the voltage 12 volt divided by this resistance 4 ohm. So this is 3 ampere. Now if we apply Kirchhoff's current law at this point, we will get that current I is flowing towards this point and current I1 and I2 are going out from this point. So current entering at this point, which is I, will be equal to current leaving from this point. Current leaving are I1 and I2. So I1 plus I2. Here we know that value of I is 7 ampere, 7, I1 is unknown, plus I2 is 3 ampere. So I1 is 4 ampere. So we get Vs is equal 12 volt, I2 is equal 3 ampere and I1 is equal 4 ampere. These are the answer. Thanks for watching.